I'm doing something on a Saturday night, getting kind of... No way, Precious, No way, Mr. Tree, I'm gonna beat you. Not a chance, Kiki. Ow! At least that was some fun. Wait. Alright, off to check the mail. Here, just... No mail today. Oh well. Try not to think about it, Kiki. They're just dumb birds that have no friends except each other. Right? They have no friends, right? Right? Huh? Oh, whatever. Just maybe if I go on my thinking tree, it'll be better. 2 hours later. Wait, okay. 2 hours later. As you guys can most likely tell, those birds annoy me to death. Just, they won't shush. Like, oh, there's my hula hoop. You can probably hula. That'll get my mind off of those annoying dumb birds. Spin. It's not fair. Just not fair. Why won't those dumb, annoying birds stop? Maybe if I go to the frog pond. Yeah. I'll visit the frogs. Okay, sorry about that. Hi, froggies. I'm out of here. Those annoying birds just won't shush up. Really? Like, oh, tree. They're probably around here because they hear they smell these delicious seeds. Oh, well, I'll show you what's so delicious. I stole them. They're all gone. Somewhere you'll never find them. Guys, it's Kiki. I hope you enjoyed this video about me hating birds. Birds are actually quite nice. Not. Anyway, so make sure to subscribe if you are new to our channel. Subscribe and don't forget to comment down below any video suggestions you may have. Oh, and also don't forget to leave a like. Bye.